trying to cancel your Peacock subscription, then here's how you do it. You should first search Peacock, or even just go head on to peacocktv.com, then press the website right there. After that is you should log in to your account, which you can see right here. There's a sign in. The problem is I don't have an account and it is actually unavailable for my country, so let me just tell you the prompts of how to do it. You should click your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. It should be appeared right here. Then under plans and payments, find your current plan and check or click the change plan or cancel plan. If you're billed through a third party like Apple or Roku, you'll need to cancel through them instead of the website right here. You should just follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation, and you'll still have access until the end of your current billing cycle. That's it. Subscription cancelled and no more hassle in doing it.